Local administration. Local governing bodies. We keep our house clean and tidy. We want our house to look beautiful. Our village is like a big house. Our country consists of many villages. If villages are kept clean, neat and beautiful, the entire country will become beautiful. Small settlements are known as villages. Bigger ones are called towns. When a town grows, it develops into a city. The local administration of a village is carried out by a Gram Panchayat. That of a town by the municipality, and that of a city by the municipal corporation. Local administration. Every 5 years, all men and women in the village who are above 18 years of age elect some persons from among themselves. These elected persons form the Gram Panchayat. The members of the Gram Panchayat elect from among themselves the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch acts as the chairman at the meetings of the Gram Panchayat. A Gram Sevak assists the Gram Panchayat in its work. The Gram Panchayat performs many tasks. For example, building and maintaining roads, making arrangements for street lights and a parking place for carts, providing medical assistance, organizing a weekly market, and also fairs and national festivals. It keeps a record of marriages as well as of births and deaths in the village. It extends facilities for education. These same tasks are carried out by the municipality for a town and by the municipal corporation for a city. A lot of money is required for these tasks. The money is raised by collecting taxes from the people. The president of the municipality is called Nagaradhyaksha. There is a chief officer assisted by some other officers to look after the day-to-day administration of a municipality. The president of a municipal corporation is called the mayor or Mahapaur. The chief officer who looks after the day-to-day administration of the municipal corporation is called the municipal commissioner. There are other officers to assist him. Civic amenities. Going round the village, we see many signboards. For example, fair price shop, bank or kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, college, etc. These places cater to our needs. We need food grains. We need medical facilities for people as well as for animals. We need educational facilities for children. We need banks. All these facilities are called civic amenities. There are primary health centers to take care of people's health in a village. There are government dispensaries in towns and cities. At these dispensaries, patients are examined, wounds are dressed, and medicines are dispensed. Proper medical aid is provided in case of epidemics. Babies need to be vaccinated against diseases like tuberculosis, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus or measles. They have to be given oral vaccine to prevent polio. All these facilities are available at the health centers. If a rabid dog or a poisonous snake bites someone, it may result in the death of that person. To prevent such deaths, medical treatment is given at the government health centers. Animals also fall ill. They get wounded or fall prey to epidemics. There are veterinary hospitals for them. Fair price shop. Have you seen a ration card? Every family has a ration card. People from lower income groups can buy grains, grocery from a fair price shop by using the ration card. If people fall short of food grains, they will suffer. That is why there are fair price shops in villages and towns. Banks. Sometimes you save a part of your pocket money. You keep this saving in a piggy bank. Grown-up people also save money after meeting the household expenses. A bank is a safe place to deposit money. It is always profitable to keep money in a bank. Each time we deposit or withdraw money, it is recorded there. There is another advantage in keeping money with the bank instead of keeping it at home. If we keep our money with the bank for a certain period, the bank adds some money to our account. This is called interest. Banks encourage people to save money. The money we deposit in the bank is used for good work, for development projects beneficial to people. In big cities, people have to travel long distances to reach the place of work. Therefore, a bus service is very necessary. The municipality or the municipal corporation arranges for the bus service. We write letters to communicate with our friends or relatives who stay in other parts of the country. We can even send money to them using a money order. The postal service helps us to do that. Our local bodies. It is always desirable that the local administration should be run by the local people. They know what should or should not be done for people's convenience and comfort. The local bodies educate us in running our own administration. The success of our democracy depends on this education and experience. If local bodies work efficiently, the country will run smoothly. That is why we have to learn how these bodies work. People should cooperate with the Gram Panchayat, the municipality or the municipal corporation. They will not function well without our cooperation. Citizens should not depend wholly on their representatives and remain inactive themselves. Everyone should behave responsibly. For example, one should dispose of the garbage properly only in the special bins or vans. One should be watchful that water in wells, tanks, lakes and rivers remains clean so that public health and hygiene is not harmed. If one has a contagious disease, one should stay away from a swimming tank. Public gardens, fountains, historical monuments adorn our localities. They should be properly maintained and preserved. citizens should pay taxes on time. Otherwise, no public work will be possible and people will suffer. Children too can help in their own way. We should keep our houses, classrooms and schools clean. We should observe discipline. We should not throw garbage on streets or in gardens. Spitting is a very dirty habit. We should keep our surroundings clean, plant trees and take care of them. If we see any public water tap running, we should close it. We should minimize the use of plastic. We should use electricity and water economically. If we do all this, our home, school, village and the country will be proud of us.